Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now I think we're all craving to enjoy some lovely lunch combos, a restaurant style, and today I have two perfect recipes that I'm going to share with you which makes for a perfect lunch menu. Now this is nice and tasty vegetable fried rice with this absolutely spicy and delicious chili potato. So why wait, let's get started and check out these wonderful recipes. First, I'm going to cook 1 cup of long grain basmati rice. Boil some water. Once it comes to a boil, add the washed rice. Add half teaspoon of salt. Cook the rice till it's 3/4 done. The rice has been cooking for 10 minutes. It's about 90% cooked. I'm going to strain it and keep the rice aside. The next step is to make the fried rice. Take a wok or a wide kadai. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. Make sure the wok is on medium-high throughout the cooking process. To this, I'm going to add the spring onion whites, 1 large carrot, finely chopped, finely chopped beans, 1 cup of shredded cabbage, half cup boiled sweet corn, a few sliced baby corn. Saute the vegetables for about 5 minutes. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt, freshly crushed pepper, next add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Next add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Next add 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Mix everything together. Next, add the cooked long grain rice. Finally, add the spring onion greens. Vegetable fried rice is ready to be served. For the chili potato, I'm going to make a batter. For this, I've taken 1/4 cup of corn flour, 1/4 cup maida or all-purpose flour, season it with 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder and some fresh pepper. Mix it well. Gradually pour in the water. The batter should be a bit thin, it shouldn't be too thick. So if it's too thick, you can just dilute with a little water. It should just coat the potato pieces. I've taken 4 medium-sized potatoes, peel the skin and cut it into long wedges. Dip the potato pieces in the batter. Make sure it's completely coated. Take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. To this add 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Once the onions are transparent, add chopped capsicum half cup. To this add 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon red chilli sauce, Next, 1 tablespoon green chilli sauce, 2 tablespoon tomato ketchup. Next, add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. To this, I am going to add 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Mix everything. To this, add some water. To this, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of corn flour slurry. I am just going to season it with a little salt just to balance the flavors, just a pinch. Once the sauce is ready, add the fried potato pieces. Mix it all in. Chili potato is ready. Turn off the stove and serve it nice and hot. So there you go, here are these perfectly delicious recipes that are a must try, and they make for a perfect restaurant style meal combo. So do try them and post in your comments and feedback, and I'm eagerly waiting to read them.